Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong love reading para sa lahat ng Aries. Okay? So, this love reading is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin, hindi ko na-tap yung energy ninyo. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay, kaya sa mga bago, subscribe na kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipopost kong videos or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na napost ko na, baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo dahil ang tarot and oracle readings are timeless naman talaga. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 6 na cards. 2 for the recent past, 2 for the present, and 2 for the near future. Then we will clarify the cards with the other deck. Okay. Also, gusto kong batian ng lahat ng Aries. Aries season ngayon. Happy birthday sa inyong mga Aries. Sana masaya. Or sana magse-celebrate pa, magiging masaya ang celebration ninyo. Okay. Right, sige. Simulan na natin. So, get the 4th card dahil April ngayon. Strength card. And Temperance for the recent past. Okay. For the present, 7 of coins. And 4 of coins. Okay. And for the near future, the Fool, and 3 of Wands. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Queen of Swords. Okay, this is the energy you won't see coming. Okay. Alright. So, you might be dealing with a Leo or a Sagittarius and an Aries as well or Aquarius. Okay, so itong mga signs na nabanggit ko, pwede yun yung zodiac ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to, yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero, i-check nyo rin yung kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements, baka yun din yung signs nila, yung mga nabanggit ko. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so in the recent past, okay, there's this confidence when it comes to finding balance. What I mean here is, in the recent past, you and your person are already nagkakaroon na ng growth sa relationship ninyo, and both of you are very confident that this will be a long-term relationship. Okay? And this long-term relationship also kasama nito kasi yung pag-overcome nyo ng maraming challenges na, marami na kayong pagsubok na napagdaanan in the recent past as a couple, as a partner, or even if you're still on the dating stage, may mga napagdaanan na kayo in the recent past na nalampasan ninyo. Because strength is also a card of resilience, aside from a card of confidence. Okay? And yung there's already a balance between you and your person and yung mga values ninyo, yung mga daily activities ninyo. Basta it's, in the recent past, very harmonious na yung relationship ninyo. There's peace, alam mo yun, well-managed yung mga emosyon ninyo. Hindi siya yung tumatapon kung saan-saan. Meaning, parang walang biglang moody, walang biglang nagagalit, walang biglang nag-aaway. Okay, so very, very harmonious nga siya. There's so much peace in the relationship. And dahil nga sa mga experiences nyo na yung mga napagdaanan ninyo together as partners. Okay? And clarify natin. Sige. Habang binabalansa ko ito, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aries na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. And sana patuloy nyo suportahan by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. And comment na rin sa baba lalo na kung nag-resonate yung reading. Sa mga bago, please do subscribe and abang nyo lagi yung mga post ko na darating. And kapag nag-grow yung channel ko, marami pa akong magagawa na love reading para sa inyo. So please continue to support Mystico Moreno. Okay? Salamat mismo. Okay, sige. So, tingnan natin ano ba tong nangyari in the past din. Ano yung mga challenges? Ano yung mga napagdaanan ninyo? So, first, okay. O, diba? 10 of Cups. And Ace of Swords. Mahal nyo talaga yung isa't isa, okay? So, 10 of Cups kasi is the energy of really, it's also a card of love. At the same time, ito yung card of long-term relationship. Card of settling down. Diba? So, alam nyo na in the recent past talaga that this will be a long-term relationship. And with the Ace of Swords here, na there's so much honesty and clarity sa relationship. Alam mo yun, walang nililihim, very open, communication, and lahat ng mga, yun nga, dahil nga ang dami nyo na nalampasan ng mga pagsubok, diba? So, alam nyo na yung mga kailangan nyong gawin at the present moment at saka sa hinaharap. Very clear na okay, I will stay with this person and this person is with me forever. Mga ganong ganong energy nasasagap ko naman. So, at the present moment, dahil nga in the recent past, very stable na yung relationship. Okay? At the present moment, there will be more growth in the relationship. However, merong parang evaluation or reflection ba na mangyayari with the 7 of Coins. Kasi may tendency lang na dahil nga parang na-feel ninyo na this is my forever, hindi na pwedeng mawala tong person na to sa akin, ganyan. So, roles can be reversed. So, there's this tendency to be possessive. Okay? Pero ingat lang kasi itong pagiging possessive might result to some change in character, behavior. Parang baka maging sobrang seloso or selosa kayo or yung person ninyo. So, careful lang. This is just pag nagmamanifesto lalo na sa person ninyo, pag-usapan nyo ulit, upuan ninyo, and try to have some clarity ulit. Bakit yun yung nararamdaman ng person ninyo. And to even give more confidence na marami na nga kayo napagdaanan. So, at the present moment, hindi na kailangan isipin pa yung mga ganong mga bagay-bagay na mawawala kayo sa feeling niya or yung person niya mawawala sa feeling ninyo. Okay? So, careful lang with that, and it's really time to reflect if nafe-feel niyo yung natitrigger yung mga ganong tendencies ninyo. Sige, clarify natin. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. Okay, and Page of Cups. Okay, so yeah, yung sa pagiging possessive is because of too much dedication, too much commitment, and too much effort na dun sa relationship. So I guess if ito nagmamanifesto or nakikita nyo at the present moment sa person ninyo, first, alam niyo nga yung pinanggagalingan niya. Is it because yun nga may parang your person is really so into you, 'di ba? And may fear na siya na parang mawala dahil naging dependent na rin siya sa relationship. And here with the Page of Cups, 'di ba? I mean, sorry, and in addition to that, kasi 'di ba ito nakatabi siya kay Seven of Coins. It's also parang at the present moment, minsan in-evaluate ninyo how dedicated, how committed yung person ninyo sa inyo. And it can be the other way around. The roles can be reversed. Okay? Kaya natitrigger yung parang possessiveness, jealousy, ganyan. And with the Page of Cups, okay? With the Page of Cups, yun nga, parang it's si Page of Cups kasi siya yung medyo parang may konting immaturity. Okay? And yung tendency nga niya to be jealous, to be possessive is rooted to something in the past, okay, that delayed, I'll use the term delayed your person's sense of maturity when it comes to the relationship. Kaya in the recent past, marami na kayo napagdaanan, alam niyo naman sa sarili niyo na long-term relationship na yon. Pero ang maturity kasi ng tao minsan, kapag hindi pa siya full mature, talagang nagmamanifest pa rin at may mga triggers yon. Kapag na-trigger yon, makikita nyo. Mag-materialize siya. So, again, ingat na lang din sa mga actions that might trigger your person, or if kayo yung natitrigger, huwag din padalos-dalos sa mga actions. Okay? So, in the near future, okay, so there will be some freedom in a sense of freedom from the current issues, concerns. Again, tulad nga nung napagdaanan nyo, parang nagkakaroon lang din ng mga cycle. So, at the moment, there's this triggers, tendencies, but eventually, malalampasan nyo siya because there will be a new beginning, then a new cycle. Parang, okay, mare-resolve nyo to. Again, there's a new, like in the past na may mga nalampasan kayong pagsubok na every time there's a new start. Kasi syempre, every challenge, di ba, may pagdadaan kayo. Then, parang siyang roller coaster. So, there's a new start. May mga ma-discover kayo about you and your person. Tapos, i-resolve nyo siya ulit. New start. Hanggang sa mag-grow and maging stable. Na yung fully stable na yung relationship ninyo. Though, as in the recent past naman, there's stability na in the relationship. Pero may mga triggers lang na minsan na nagaganap sa relationship. But in the near future, everything will go well. And with the Three of Wands then, along with the Fool, is that there will be more romance and adventure. In a sense na parang, yun nga, since may mga bago kayo madidiscover about yourselves and it's a relationship, di ba? There's this sense of parang, okay, may bago ako natututunan, nalalaman sa sarili ko, sa relasyon, at sa person ko, di ba? So, there's this sense of, hindi naman siya yung parang adventure talaga na extra challenge kayo level. Hindi naman. Pero, what I mean is, it's learning about yourself and your person in the relationship has this sense of energy of adventure of, di ba, pag adventure, there's a lot of excitement din kasi nga, there's something new, ganyan, may mga bagong na-discover, nalalaman, na-resolve, okay? Pero, sige, tingnan natin pa rin yung detalye. Okay? Okay, 8 of Swords. O, see, the Fool ulit. Double confirmation lang that there will be, everything will work out well, and everything will fall into place. May bagong cycle, may bagong phase sa relationship ninyo, and with the 8 of Swords, okay, that yung victimhood mindset din nga, di ba nga, in the present moment, parang may mga triggers na nagaganap. So, that one is, mawawala naman na yun. So, that one will be left behind, and a fresh start will commence. Diba? So, yung mga feeling nyo na kayo yung talo sa sa mga ganitong nangyayari, or may mga restrictions dahil syempre, 'di ba, pag may pag nai-trigger yung possessiveness ng tao sa yung pagiging jealous, it's a form of restriction, 'di ba? Hirap kang gumalaw kasi may mga ganitong parang triggers, but eventually that will be resolved and maayos din siya. Okay, so bottom of the deck, see, 3 of Cups alongside with the Queen of Swords. So there will be more clarity, there will be more balance, and with the 3 of Cups, there will be more collaboration and celebration and support from each other. Okay, as a couple, diba? So, ayan. So, I hope this reading helps. And abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo Kita Kits. Ingat!